Hi, this is Jake and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we are going to review another plugin from Dehancer using Adobe Premiere. Dehancer reached out to me to make an honest review about their product, and they have given me a month of subscription to test this product. For your information, this is not a tutorial video and I am not a professional photographer, though I am taking photography course at the moment, and let's see if this plugin is suitable for me as a beginner. I do have a separate video of another plugin from Dehancer using Adobe Lightroom, which is used for photos, and I will be putting the link of that video under my description box below. What is Dehancer? Dehancer is the OFX plugin suited for film-like color grading and film effects in DaVinci Resolve or probably other video editing. Dozens of real photographic and motion picture films with truly analog controls, film grain, bloom, and halation effects to complete the look. Complete native support of ACES pipeline, and based on 30 years of film shooting and darkroom experience combined with scientific approach, non-linear image processing, and a bit of alchemy. Who's this product for? Mainly it is used by amateurs, hobbyists, professional photographers, or videographers to make their footage to look more filmic or dramatic. It will make your editing more quicker and create a different vibe of your liking. Here are some videos that I grabbed from their website, which you can see the difference of the raw and the added plugin from Dehancer. So we have film profile, film grain, bloom, and halation. Do I recommend you to purchase this product? Yes, I do recommend you to buy this product, but it's a bit expensive. There are more competitors that can sell cheaper plugins than the Dehancer. Though if you have that money, then just buy it. I mean, it's gonna be worth it. It will make your life easier, make your video more dramatic, more filmic, and you will have a lot of variation on it. This is the Dehancer Pro plugin for Adobe Premiere and After Effects. So as you can see, there is a lot of tools included in this plugin. You can use Apple or Microsoft to use this plugin, and it costs you $449 USD for lifetime, $299 USD for 1 year, $199 USD for 6 months, and $149 for 3 months. So there's another plugin if you want to get the cheaper one, but it will include lesser profiles, I guess. And yes, it will cost you $199 USD for lifetime, $129 for a year, $89 USD for 6 months, and $69 USD for 3 months. Here are some of my videos that I took from my Osmo Pocket 3 with the Dehancer plugin on it.